Can AI help us reimagine health policy to create more ethical and inclusive solutions for indigenous communities? My answer is yes, it can. The problem that we have here is that we know that across the world, indigenous communities have faced systemic inequities, for example, gaps in access to healthcare or lack of recognition of traditions, of their traditions and knowledge. So how can AI help us here? We are combining artificial intelligence with human wisdom. So together with a group of 4 people that form an advisory committee of indigenous people for this project as a co-design approach, we generated ethical principles and values that could be included in health policy for indigenous peoples, and even some indicators that can help health policymakers to measure the applicability of these principles and values. The impact of this project is directly on the Aymara Indigenous community in Bolivia, but it can also be scaled to other indigenous communities around the world and other marginalized populations around the world. In this project, I have not collected personal data of indigenous peoples, but nevertheless, I have applied for ethical approval from 2 ethics boards in Bolivia and in Canada, and we have received approval. This project is feasible. We have already obtained the list of ethical principles and values that could be included in health policies and also the indicators. So this can help in health policymakers to make fairer and more inclusive health policy rooted in justice. Thank you.